How's it going? Bakersfield, YouTube, out on another job today. I don't film all my jobs, just so you know. Usually I range 2 to 3 homes a day. A lot of times I just want to focus on the carpet cleaning, so I don't really have a chance to film too much. So that's why you don't see all the work I do, but I think I do plenty enough for now. But here's another one of my client got me all set up here. 5 areas plus a hallway. She's selling the house. It was a rental for a while, so older nylon carpet, not too bad. Too bad. Nice little living room, good sized backyard though. But dark in here. Yep. Bedroom here. Got the hallway, and it's not in bad shape actually. I'm gonna do a good thorough pre-vacuuming. We'll see. It looks like somebody has vacuumed, so we'll see what the workhorse can do. But besides that, not bad. I know there's some ground in dirt in these areas, and you can see that distorted area there, so it's gonna look better, but not the best. All right, so let's crank this puppy down and see what we got. There is a little bit of debris. Got a little mark there just to show where we're starting it. All right. Already hear it. And as you can see, this one was pre-vacuumed. Not sure by who. Yeah, you can hear all that dirt coming in. Look at that. Look at that mess. Whoever vacuumed didn't do a very good job. I'm gonna show you. Look at that already. Look at that. Just, what is this, 6 feet maybe? Not bad at all. Oh, got Andre from Brown's Professional Carpet Cleaner, another YouTuber. If you guys haven't seen him, he asked me a question about this job I did. It's on my page. The focus, not focusing. Anyways, this is the one with really bad extreme tile cleaning. He said, what did I use on it? So I was talking to him. So he says he's going to order some of the Sager Tsunami. But he's got a good page as well. He puts up daily carpet cleaning vlogs. Andre's Brown Professional Carpet Cleaning. So check him out. Cool guy. I like that guy. But yeah. So he's just asking me about the tile job. But all right, I'm going to finish vacuuming. Show you the stages as we go. And then get to the CRB. Favorite part. So not all the rooms are going to need a CRB. Definitely this main living area here. This was the den where they most likely had the TV and everything set up. So this definitely needs it. But the other room is actually really not bad at all. The vacuuming pulled that pile up really good. And you could see how much of a difference it's changing. Look at that. Okay, I forgot to mention this job I'm using Rob's black label from Truck Mount Forums. So I love the smell. This leaves a nice, clean, light scent in the carpet. So if you have a chance to try it, I recommend it. It's supposed to be just like his secret formula, Rob's secret formula, and pre-spray wise, but they added that scent to it, and it smells really, really good. So it should leave this house at it's not a rental. I apologize earlier. I said a rental. They're actually selling it, so maybe I didn't mention it. I don't know. But anyways, looking forward to trying that. And I've also got his Rob's Super Rinse in the truck right now for the first time. So about to go turn on the pump and get this party started. That's the one thing I've noticed on this dang Pro lawn. I've used my Devastator since November, and not one time has the glide ever slipped or slid side to side. I've only been using this dang Pro now for a month, and the glide's already sliding off. So every other job I have to knock it back straight. I don't really like that. After a month already. So the Rob's all fiber super rinse, I think is what it's called. Something like that. I'll show you the bottle later. But it has a lemon scent kind of to it. But it's the first rinse I've ever seen that says 16 to 32 ounces for your rinse container. So usually the standard has been a quart for 5 gallon. Now I do have a Butler, and Butler runs 2.5 gallon rinse tanks. So I went ahead and did the 16 ounce, which is one of the lady I spoke with over at Truck Mount Forum store. She said to go ahead and do 16 ounces. So I went ahead, 16. So hopefully I should get a little bit of a scent coming through, maybe not. Right now that black label is shining through and taking care of this room, so it smells really good. Man, I don't think I'll ever get used to the suction in the Butler equipment combined with one of these wands. It just seals the floor. Still good airflow, but still, it's just good vacuum. That ground in part we saw earlier. They probably had a chair right over here, so it's pretty worn. Not much you can do about that, except just get all the dirt out. Alright. It's looking good so far.